Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Zumba membership. Make sure to watch until the end to learn all the details. First, let's start with canceling by phone. Canceling your Zumba membership is just a call away. Simply dial 954 925 3755. When you reach a Zumba representative, ask them to cancel the membership linked to your account. You will need to provide some additional information, such as your phone number and the reason for cancellation. Once your membership is successfully cancelled, you should receive a confirmation email. Now, if you prefer to cancel online, you can visit the official Zumba website at www.zumba.com. First, log into your account by clicking the top right corner of the page. Enter your email and current password to access your account. Then select My Account from the right side of the page. Click on Payment and Billing, and from the support options, choose Cancel Membership to terminate your membership. Make sure to note down the contact information displayed for follow-up depending on your region. And there you have it. Canceling your Zumba membership is that easy. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.